Oja to get us underway. Nice to see some pace first up. This new ball should give some movement early and make the batter's life difficult. Lovely cover drive, straight to the extra cover fielder.
Well, you sometimes just have to stop and admire batting like that. Gets onto the front foot early, well-timed, and 4 runs.
At the crease now, would have to be very happy with that last shot.
Still.
Huge edge.
All the way, got it right out of the middle.
Tried something a bit different last delivery, and the captain shouldn't mind that too much. If they get it right, they just might get that wicket. No, terrible shot.
Oh, didn't get the feet moving, played down the wrong line, threw the hands at it, got nothing on the ball.
Let's just see if they can get that ball up into the slot as before. It's so crucial. You've got to follow up that last delivery and keep the batter under pressure. That's huge. That's a biggie. It is out of here. Absolutely smoked off the bat.
That's a brilliantly timed shot off the back foot. It just flew to the boundary for 6.
Can be very disheartening seeing good deliveries smacked around. Sometimes, though, you just got to accept it and move on. Well, now, that could be out of the ground. That's a tremendous shot, just sailed away.
Showing that they mean business this innings. Barely seem to have got going and they're hitting 6s.
That's a solid shot.
It was a nice-looking shot, full and in the slot, just couldn't find the gap.
Drilled it way too short, and that's been dispatched to the boundary at a rate of knots.
Being able to sit back, wait for it, and put away the shorter ball.
Tendulkar has gotten the big shot away this over. Now they can focus on playing the next ball on its merits. Tendulkar drills that one away. That'll be 4 more to the tally.
Too wide. It was there to be hit, and it was really given the treatment.
Boundaries are flowing. They need to find a dot ball or two just to slow things down again. Goes for the drive, but it's a wild shot.
Maybe they didn't pick it up. Very late on the shot.
Perfectly timed.
That races away to the boundary. A beautiful shot off the front foot. Just textbook stuff.
I'd like to see them just aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms. Middled that one, great timing.
Pushed onto the front foot and presented the full face of the bat.
The over comes to an end. Not many runs coming off it. Both sides need to inject some life into this match. Havelock, 50 for 2. Oh, that's popped up in the air, but it lands just shy of the fielder. That's out. Bad luck. Right off the glove.
with the bat. Certainly a good wicket to get.